Are you tired of shaky footage, poor low-light quality, and batteries that die right when the action starts? What if I told you there's a camera that handles 4K at 120 frames per second, tracks your movement like a pro, and can literally see in the dark? Today, we're diving deep into the all-new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Whether you're a professional vlogger, an extreme athlete, or just someone who wants to capture family memories in crystal clear quality, this might be the only camera you ever need. Stick around, because we're about to see if the Pro tag is actually worth your money. First, let's talk about the build. DJI has perfected the design here. It's compact, rugged, and feels premium in the hand. But the real stars are the dual OLED high-brightness touchscreens. Unlike other cameras, you get a screen on both the front and the back. Both are incredibly sharp, even under direct sunlight, making it super easy to frame your shots, whether you're behind the lens or vlogging. And my favorite part? The magnetic quick-release system. It lets you switch between mounts in seconds without fumbling with screws. It's a total game-changer for fast-paced shooting. Now, let's get into the specs. The Action 5 Pro features a massive 1.13-inch sensor with a 13.5-stop dynamic range. What does that mean for you? It means your highlights won't blow out and your shadows will stay rich in detail. But where it really shines is the super night mode. Most action cameras struggle as soon as the sun goes down, but this one uses AI noise reduction to give you clean, usable footage in low light. Plus, with subject tracking, the camera intelligently keeps you in the center of the frame even if you're moving fast. It's like having a personal cameraman in your pocket. Let's talk about the boring stuff that actually matters: battery life. The Action 5 Pro can last up to 4 hours on a single charge. And if you're in a rush, its fast charging capability gets you to 80% battery in just 20 minutes. You also get 47 gigabytes of internal storage, so even if you forget your SD card, the shoot isn't over. For the adventurers, this beast is waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. It even has a built-in pressure gauge that records your depth and altitude in real time. It's literally built to survive anything you throw at it. So, is the Osmo Action 5 Pro worth it? If you value reliability, stunning 4K image quality, and the best battery life in the game, the answer is a resounding yes. It's more than just a camera, it's a powerhouse for creators. If you're ready to upgrade your content, I've left the link to this exact product in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button if this review helped you out, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.